Welcome to the Explainer. So today, we're going to dig into a new AI tool from Amazon, and it's trying to solve this paradox that's driving marketers crazy, right? Why is it that the more tools we get to supposedly make our jobs easier, the more complicated things seem to get? Let's get into it.
All right, so let's just start with a question that I bet is on a lot of your minds. You've got new AI ad tools popping up, almost every single day. Has just managing all of them turned into a full-time job in itself? The whole promise was simplicity, right? But the reality, well, it often feels more like you're wrestling with this tangled mess of platforms that don't talk to each other. So to try and cut through all that noise, Amazon is beta testing something that's basically a universal translator for ads. And the idea behind it is actually pretty simple. It's all about building a bridge between what a marketer wants to do, expressed in just plain, simple language, and the super complex technical jargon that the ad platforms actually need to get the job done.
Okay, but to really get why this is such a big deal, we got to rewind a little bit and look at the core problem. How did we even get here? And why are the ad systems that felt so cutting edge just a couple of years ago, why are they already struggling to keep up with how fast AI is moving?
Yeah, it's this thing we can call the AI paradox. It's kind of funny, isn't it? The big irony is that while every single AI tool promises to make your life easier, trying to juggle dozens of them just creates this whole new, frustrating layer of complexity. So marketers are stuck piecing together campaigns one step at a time, using this tool for one thing, that tool for another. And this whole piecemeal approach, it doesn't just slow you down, it actually hurts your campaign's effectiveness. And this right here really gets to the heart of the problem. It's a fundamental mismatch. See, the old building blocks of ad tech, the APIs, they were designed for one single task. Create an ad group. That's it. But modern AI agents, they're built to think bigger. They manage entire multi-step workflows from start to finish. It's kind of like trying to build a skyscraper using tools you'd use for a garden shed. The foundation just isn't built for that kind of job.
So this is the exact gap that Amazon is trying to fill with this new Ads MCP server. The best way to think about it is like a universal instruction manual. It's for all these different AI agents out there, and it basically teaches them how to speak the language of Amazon ads fluently so they can pull off complex jobs without a hitch.
Okay, so here's the absolute key. This Amazon Ads MCP server, and by the way, it's built on an open standard called the Model Context Protocol. It's really just a powerful translation layer. So a marketer can just type in a simple prompt in plain English, something like, hey, launch my new sneaker campaign in Germany. And the server takes that, understands the intent, and translates it into all the precise, structured, multi-step commands needed to make it happen on the Amazon Ads platform. Pretty cool.
And this process right here, it shows you what the new reality looks like. The workflow is just radically simplified. You, the marketer, you just have to state your goal. That's it. The server takes it from there, handling all the nitty-gritty technical steps automatically. Your job completely shifts from being a button pusher to being the strategist, the one with the vision.
And what's really important here is that this system isn't some walled garden. No, it's designed to be flexible. It works with the big AI platforms you're probably already using. We're talking ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. And it's also built to be future-proof. So as Amazon updates its own ad systems down the road, you're not going to have to constantly rewrite your prompts or your code. The server just adapts for you.
Okay, let's talk real-world impact. That's what really matters, right? How does this thing actually bridge that gap from a simple idea to a full-blown live campaign? What does this mean for you, the person who's actually in the trenches, running ads every single day?
Well, here's a perfect example from Paula Despins over at Amazon Ads. She points out that a really complex, super time-consuming task, like taking a successful campaign you're running in the US and expanding it to a whole new country, that can now be done with a single prompt. That is a massive, massive shift in efficiency.
And to make this even more real, let's look at one of the most common ad types out there, a sponsored products campaign. Now, traditionally, as you know, this involves a bunch of different steps.
Right. The old way meant at least 3 separate operations. First, you create the campaign shell. Then, you got to set up the ad groups inside of it. And finally, you create the actual ads. The new way? It just condenses all of that into one single comprehensive prompt. What used to be this tedious, multi-step checklist is now just one simple action.
All right, so let's zoom out for a second and look at the big picture. What does a tool like this tell us about Amazon's bigger strategy? And maybe even more important, what does it signal for the future of advertising as a whole?
This innovation isn't just happening in a vacuum. It's coming at a time when Amazon's ad business is already a huge growth engine for the company. They saw a 14% year-over-year revenue jump in their last Q4, and advertising is a massive driver of that. So tools like this, they're designed to pour fuel on that fire, to accelerate that growth by making the platform way easier and more powerful for marketers.
And believe me, Amazon is putting some serious cash behind this strategy. The company has pledged something like $200 billion in capital expenditures, and that money is focused primarily on two things: Amazon Web Services and, you guessed it, artificial intelligence. This new ad server is a direct result of that absolutely massive investment in AI.
This is really a story of evolution too. This new server isn't Amazon's first rodeo with AI and ads. It's the logical next step. It actually builds on their previous ads agent tool, which was the thing that let marketers ask conversational questions about Amazon's first-party data. So you can see the clear progression, right? First, they let you ask questions. Now they're letting you take action based on those answers. And that leaves us with a final, kind of provocative thought to chew on. As these translator tools get smarter and more powerful, maybe the most critical skill for a marketer won't be the technical execution anymore, clicking the right buttons in the right order. Instead, maybe the real value, the real game changer, will come from something far more human: the art and the science of asking the perfect question.